Easy in city. In this world full of uncertainties, only life and death hold eternities. Nothing can escape from both of these, cause they both entangled and destined to exist. Life in city is undeniably easy, for one can find money and foods on table appear immediately. It could be from a decent work or job, or from a dirty work snatch and rob, either from a little store multi-purpose hub, or from a crooked work in a bar and club. That in city is equitably easy, for accidents happen constantly and crimes occur consistently. It could be a sedentary lifestyle caused or by a naughty cars in street cross, either by a polluted air that are frost or by a knife stab ordered by a criminal boss. In city, an instant life it gets, but a sudden death awaits. For life and death are definitely easy in city. Easy in city.